Hope you all are. This is Izaz Geta, and in this video we'll discuss the questions on chemistry model paper 2023-2024 model paper 23-24 science. We are going to discuss MCQs and 1 mark question of chemistry part. So let us start our class. First question क्या है देखेंगे. ये ना the first question नोडमा. Type of chemical reaction in which single product is formed. See, if two or more reactant, left side reactant will be written, right side product will be written. Correct? So if two or more reactant combine to give a single product, it is called combination. What it is called? Combination. Okay. Right. The next question then. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Then the period of this element in the modern periodic table. See, atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration is 287. See, to write, these are the number of electron in each shell. This is K element method, like K, L, M, N, O, so on. So generally you may get like electronic configuration up to 20 elements. So you remember this number 2882. First 2 you should write, then 8, then 8, then 2. Okay, this will give you the electronic configuration or distribution of electron till 20 element. So we should see that what is the period of first period, second and third. Highest period is third, so it belongs to third period. Okay. The next question. Next question. What is that next question? Let's see. Okay, answer the following questions. 1 mark question. See, what is the dilution of acid? It is a mixing of acid and water. Mixing of acid and water leads to decrease in concentration of acid is acid, so you can say decrease in concentration of hydronium H3O plus or H plus ions per unit volume. You should write. Okay, whenever you will mix acid with water, see, you should mix acid in water. Okay, acid should be added in water. Never add water in acid. Never add water in acid. The reaction is highly exothermic. Reaction is what? Exothermic, highly exothermic. And if you do this, if you add acid into water, that too also you should add slowly, drop by drop, acid into water. Okay. If you add water to acid, now the mixture can splash out, mixture can bump out. Okay, it can suddenly come out, and it can can come on your face or body and can injure you. Okay, if it goes into ice, then still it can create a problem. Okay, so this is the answer. Decreases the concentration of hydronium ion H3O plus. What could be the pH value of salt that is commonly used to remove stains? See, to remove stains, soap or detergent is used. Correct. And the soap or detergent, they are obviously they are basic in nature. So if anything is basic in nature, then pH is above 7. Okay, pH is what? Above 7. Getting it? Right. To remove any oily stains, we are using what? Soap or detergent, and they all are basic in nature, and if they are basic, so pH should be above 7. Fine. Because see what could be the pH? pH is above 7. Okay, above 7. Okay, they commonly used to remove strong oil and stains in any soap, because what soap and detergent we are using, they are basic in nature. What is the reason for the formation of water when moderately reactive metal react with nitric acid? This is very important, and say the correct answer you should write. Simply you cannot write the reaction or other thing. Okay, see any metal uh, metal react with acid. For example, think it magnesium. If it react with acid now, like it will give you magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. Is it clear? Any metal, you know that metal displaces hydrogen gas. Okay, it is common property of metal to displace hydrogen gas. But when like a medium reactive metal, if it react with nitric acid, then why hydrogen gas is not released? But instead of that, water is formed. You can take example of just magnesium itself. If it reacts with nitric acid, then MgNO3 twice. Okay, and water will form. Reason what? Main reason what? Why water will form? Because main reason, because nitric acid is a oxidizing agent. Which agent? Oxidizing agent. See, this reaction is not important to write. I'm just explaining to you what exactly things happen here. So properly understand still. See, it is a oxidizing agent. So in the reaction, actually, when magnesium react with nitric acid, then hydrogen is formed. But because nitric acid is an oxidizing agent, it gives oxygen and it becomes water. So reason should be what? Because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent, it converts hydrogen into water. That's the reason, because it is a strong oxidizing agent. This is very important. Okay, you understood? If you have any doubt, let me know. Okay, though concentrated sulfuric acid is not a reactant during the conversion of ethanol to ethene, but its presence is necessary. Okay, see, this is ethanol, CH3 CH2OH. It is converting that ethanol to ethene. You know ethene, like C2H4. If here one hydrogen is removed from here, and from here OH is removed, correct? So it will become CH2 here and CH2C2H4 plus water is removed. So actual role of sulfuric acid is what? It removes water. Yeah, it removes water. So actually it act as a what? If it remove water, it act as a dehydrating agent. You should say it removes water. Concentrated sulfuric acid is important because it removes water. It acts as a dehydrating agent. Which agent? This is a correct answer. A reaction is again not important. They did not ask, mention or write the reaction. The reason. First, why it is? Because it removes water. Reason you should write, it is a dehydrating agent. Hope you all understood. See, answer are, 100% you will get a proper explanation with correct answers, right? If you check other videos also, like you may get a variation, like some videos if you check, they will give example of above 7 pH example. Those above 7 pH example are used as a soap, correct now? So you can't give like sodium bicarbonate example of which will clean the dirt, correct or no? So this is a perfect with reason answer. If you have still any doubt, if you find any error also, you can message me. Okay, name the carbon having, this is 2 mark question. See this, you can see first we should know that a functional group C double bond OOH is carboxylic acid. This is double bond is there, so it is alkene, and it is OH is there, OH if it is there, alcohol, and this is again a double bond. Yeah, looks like a double bond. So you know alkene it is. Okay. So we should count number of carbon first. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. So propane will become propane. But here it is COOH, it is acid. So E you should remove and oic acid you can join. Propanoic acid. Okay, oic acid is the carboxylic acid. Suffix will come. Here as it is alkene, so ENE will come. ENE. Okay. We should count carbon. 1, methane, ethane, propane, butane. Simply butane. Okay, properly. Butane. Right. Now here alcohol is there. Here how many carbon? 1, 2. So 2 carbon matlab ethane. Okay. Remove E because it is alcohol, so OL will be joined. Ethanol. Okay. Now, however, a double bond are visible. 1 carbon, a triple bond should be there. According to the valency, a triple bonds. Okay, maybe the copy is not correct, but actually should be a triple bond. It should be maybe a triple bond will be there, but it is blurred maybe. So let us count. 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. 5 carbon matlab pentane, right? Pentane. But as it is, E is removed, and you know that it is what? It is alkyne. So pentine will come. What will come? Pentine. Understood? Everybody understood? Any other question is there? What? No. So till here only. In next video, we'll explain other part of this. Okay, everybody. Thank you so much, everyone. Kindly subscribe and share with your friends.